Here at Indivumed, we've been collecting high-quality cancer tissues for over 20 years with the main goal of pushing forward precision medicine approaches within oncology. To be able to get a deep dive into the cancer patient's biology, we use technologies that produce high-content data. And this data arrives in batches, and so we really need scalable compute to be able to take this data, which is very difficult to interpret for humans, and turn that into things that we can then analyze. And it's really the challenge of this batch process and large volume and scalable compute that we wanted to address using AWS's cloud infrastructure. What we built with AWS is a scalable compute cluster using Kubernetes-controlled Spot instances to be able to start up the processing on command and to be able to then process all of the samples in an efficient time as possible and get the data into our database for further analyses. What the AWS infrastructure has allowed us to do is to really get the processing as efficient as possible. This has actually allowed us to grow the multi-omic cancer database that we have and in as low cost as possible. This really helps the customers in that we can actually have a larger data set in which to gain deeper biological insights. The high efficiency of the AWS setup that we now have allows us to grow the database efficiently. This allows us to not only deliver the patient's data back to the hospitals, but also, in collaboration with our partners, push forward precision medicine approaches and really undertake therapeutic development with the end goal of helping the patients. Now that we have our AWS infrastructure established, we can really push forward with doing different types of analyses and different types of processing steps on the biological data that we have. This is really going to allow us to flexibly look into the data to push forward precision medicine approaches.